Imagine taking a passing comment made by a Supreme Court judge, turning it into a viral internet joke, and then trying to trademark it for personal profit. That is exactly what is happening right now in India's highest court. Welcome to Law Shield Advocates. To stay informed on the evolving legal landscape, subscribe to the channel. The controversy started during a routine hearing about senior advocate designations. Chief Justice Surya Kant expressed frustration over unqualified individuals entering the profession, comparing unemployed youth who pivot to online activism and RTI filings to cockroaches. Shortly after, the Chief Justice issued a clarification. He stated his remarks were not aimed at the general public or legitimate activists, but specifically at individuals holding fake degrees. But the internet had already taken the original snippet. Political strategist Abhijit Dipke launched a satirical movement called the Cockroach Janta Party. Within days, the account gained millions of followers across X and Instagram. The rapid mobilization caught the government's attention. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology issued a legal demand that resulted in the suspension of the party's X handle. This satirical reaction to a misunderstood remark has now become the catalyst for a constitutional showdown over judicial property. Following the viral trend, two separate trademark applications, numbers 7737937 and 7741418, were filed to claim ownership of the phrase Cockroach Janta Party. Both of these applications were filed under Class 45, the trademark category covering legal services. This attempt to monetize courtroom dialogue led to a new petition, Raja Chowdhury v. Union of India. The case names the Union of India, MeitY, the Bar Council of India, and the CBI as respondents. The petitioner argues that while democratic dissent is protected under Article 19, taking live oral proceedings and exploiting them to build a commercial brand is not. This highlights the problem of digital asset commodification. The petition argues conversational remarks made during a hearing are not final rulings. When third parties slice up live streams into memes for financial gain, it degrades the dignity of the judicial process. Protecting live-streamed hearings from digital profiteering is a matter of maintaining institutional trust. Without it, the justice system loses the public confidence required to function. While the internet focused on the satirical response, the original warning from the Chief Justice pointed to a more systemic crisis: the infiltration of the legal system by unqualified individuals. This data point is supported by the Bar Council of India. It suggests that an estimated 35 to 40% of practicing lawyers in the country may be operating with fake credentials. Forged degrees and legal impersonation compromise the safety and rights of citizens seeking justice. Legitimate professionals are now forced to share the courtroom with individuals who have not earned their titles. Because of the scale of this infiltration, the petition demands that the Central Bureau of Investigation launch a probe to identify and dismantle the networks behind these forged degrees. The distraction of a satirical meme has inadvertently forced this systemic threat to the rule of law into the national spotlight. When this petition was brought before Chief Justice Surya Kant for an immediate hearing, the courtroom tone remained measured. The Chief Justice dismissed the demand for urgency, telling the advocate, "Don't take it so sentimentally." The court found no immediate necessity for emergency intervention. The petition will now proceed through the standard due process of the legal system. The Indian legal system is now attempting to balance the transparency of live proceedings against the risks of digital exploitation, while also addressing the crisis of fake professionals within its own ranks. Do you believe oral remarks made in court should be protected by copyright to prevent commercial use? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe to Law Shield Advocates for further updates.